Namaskāra, hello, Pudyanme, Enna Pudar, Nishant Ratnakar, Niklen Materen Layana, Solmelu Studios Mo Kedetkona. I warmly welcome you all to Solmelu Studios. In this series, we are learning Tulu Script by writing one word in each video. And today's word is extra special. It is Bārkūrụ. Bārkūrụ is not just a place name. It is one of the ancient capitals of Tulunāḍ, going back to the days of Aluppa dynasty. Barkur was a bustling port city and a cultural hub where art, trade and knowledge thrived. Etymology of the word Barkur has multiple theories behind it. One of the most commonly cited theories is Barkur comes from the term Baraha Kanyapura, or the land of 12 Kanyas. But Tulunāḍ place names generally relate to the topography or geographical feature of a place or related to any landmark near it. In our Pardhanas, we find a Tulu word Bāraga, which means big, huge, or something at an elevated position. So, Barkur, being an ancient port city, might have been a big, huge uru or a big place. Another theory relates to the topography or geographical feature of Barkur. Barkur is located in the confluence of two rivers, Pita Nadi and Suvarna Nadi. And one of the geologists in Tulunāḍ had said the word Arka means an estuary or an elevated land by the river. So, Barkur could be a ur next to a Baraka, a city by an estuary or an elevated land. And the last plausible theory is this. There's a Tulu word called Barka. Barka means big manor house, or what we call in Tulunāḍ as a Guttudha Illu or Bood. So Barkur could be a big village surrounding a big Barka. Whatever the theory that holds true for Barkur, there is no doubt that Barkur holds a significant place in the heritage of Tulunāḍ. Come on, before learning to write the word Barkur, let's understand the sounds that make up the word, the phonology. When we break the word Barkur into different parts, there are four main parts to it. It starts with the consonant B with the ū-mātrā for the long A vowel. And then you have the consonant R, which merges with its adjacent consonant K to form a consonant conjugate Arka. And that's why here we'll make use of Repha or Arka Vattu, which is a feature of many Indian scripts where there is a special symbol for the consonant R every time it forms the first part of a consonant conjugate. And then you have the consonant K with the long ū-mātrā. And finally in the end we have the consonant R again, but we use a Virāma sign, and in Tulu script, Virāma sign indicates the special Tulu vowel ū, often called as the near silent vowel, and in many academic circles we write it with the letter U, the dot below it. So it's pronounced as Bārkūrụ. So there are a few new elements of the Tulu script that we'll be learning in this video today. Come on, let's tackle one symbol at a time. Writing Ba in Tulu script is very easy. If you can write shape or symbol of the letter O and the Tulu letter Na, or the English small letter M, and also the English letter L, then you can actually combine all these shapes together and write the Tulu letter Ba. How is it done? Let me show it to you. So we start by writing a circle at the bottom of the letter, and finally, without lifting our pen, we proceed up and drawing two curves to form letter M or inverted W, or like the Tulu letter Na. And finally, in the end, we do not lift our pen. We proceed to draw a mirror image of the letter L, just like how we did it in the letter Ba. This, the Tulu letter Ba. Kastetnade ijjate pudara bareka bale. Nama suruku akshara tirthidu onji chakra udupaadu. Aid baka nama raddu suruli paadu. Nama tuluta na akshara leka. A keridu nama pen derparevalli onji adda gere hoytudu okonji sarta gere hoytudu unta odmittudu. ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳು ಲಿಪಿತ ಬ ಅಕ್ಷರ. In one of our earlier videos where we learned to write the word Kuḍla in Tulu Script, we learned to write the short ū-mātrā, the consonant ka. Writing the long ū-mātrā is not that different. As we know, ka is like an inverted heart emoji with two ponytails at either end, and ū-mātrā is like a extension on the other end, like a side stroke. Sometimes we stylistically write it calligraphically with a bend and then proceeding to take the stroke to the right side. Writing the long ū-mātrā is very similar to the short ū-mātrā. It's just that we create one more level of curve. So we start writing the letter ka without lifting our pen. We complete writing the letter ka, and in the end, instead of taking the stroke directly to the right, we bend it inwards to the left and then stretch out, make a curve and take it to the right. This is ku. Banga ittande ijjate kudara bareka bale. Nama suruku ka akshara bareka. Nama Kuḍla pada baranega kalta ka bareve. Ka akshara barebaka pen derparevali. Kerigu yere nandattu tirtu vaitudu baka unji suruli paadu inja. Unji oddigere. Inchane kuda eduru vaipodu. Undu ku akshara. What is Repha? Repha or Arka Vottu, as we say in Kannada, is a special symbol for consonant Ra every time Ra forms a first part of a consonant conjunct. Like in our word Bārkūrụ, you'll find this middle syllable where you have Ra and Ka together. And in many Indian scripts, you write the second consonant of the conjunct first and then you add the Repha symbol to it. Even in Tulu script, it is a similar pattern. Let me show it to you. Repha in Tulu script is very similar to the Devanagari script. So instead of a hook which is joined to the letter, it's just a very short straight line placed right on top of the letter. This is Repha in Tulu script. Very easy, right? Kashta jate pudara barettoppara. Nama Tulu Lipi Arka Vottu ijinda Repha nama aksharada mittudupun unjelya sartakere incha ite undu Arka. Now let us put everything we learned today and write the word Bārkūrụ. Come on. We start by writing the letter Ba, which has a small circle in the beginning and two loops. Then finally a inverted L shape. This is the letter Ba. And we know from our earlier videos, the mātrā for the long vowel is like this. It's like an inverted J or a hook as tall as the letter. Now, for writing the next syllable Bārkūrụ, Arka, we first write the letter Ka, and after writing Ka, without lifting the pen, we write the long ū-mātrā. This is syllable Ku. Now, to make Bāku into Bārkū, we add the Repha at the top, which is a short straight line. Next, we will write the letter Ra, which we learned in one of our earlier videos. Big loop, circle, and in the end, we add a small circle to it. This is Ra. And in a video where we learned to write the word Tulunāḍ, we learned how to write the Virāma symbol in Tulu script, like a small crescent shaped symbol on top of the letter Ra. This is Bārkūrụ. The Virāma in the end of the word, a special Tulu vowel ū. Pudara bareka bale. Nama suruku ba akshara bareka. Chakra pudpavadu, raddu oddigere pudpavadu. Na aksharale. A keridu ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ಡಗೆರೆ ಹೋಯ್ತದು ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ತಗೆರೆ ಬಿಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಬಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಡುಗ ಒಂದು ಬಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರೆಗೆ ಐಕ್ ಹೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಡುಗ ಹೂ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಅರ್ಕ ಒತ್ತು ಪಾಡುಗ ಅವು ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಮಿತ್ತುಡುಕು ಒಂಜಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯ ಸರ್ತಾಗೆರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾರ್ಕು ಅಣ್ಣ ಕೇರಿಡು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರೆಕ ರಾ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕ then Bārkūrụ malpare Tulu Lipita Virāma ಬರೆಯೋಡು ಮಿತ್ತು ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳು ಲಿಪಿತ ಚಂದ್ರ ವಿರಾಮ ಒಂದು Bārkūrụ. So friends, that's it in today's video. Before we conclude today's session, I have something to tell which is very close to my heart. During my last trip to Barkur, I saw that once the magnificent Barkur fort now totally lies in ruins, with only a few traces of its proud walls that remain there. And around the town, there are many historic sites like ancient temples and inscriptions that tell the story of a Tulunāḍ history. These treasures are slowly disappearing and need protection and preservation. I sincerely appeal to everyone watching this video, especially the local administration, heritage department, and cultural organizations. Please take steps to protect and preserve the monuments of Bārkūrụ. Let us all raise our voices respectfully to remind the authorities the importance of protecting and preserving the monuments of Bārkūrụ for future generations. Tuluā culture is our pride, and Bārkūrụ is this living museum. Let us all protect this living museum for future generations to come. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. If you really enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell notification so that you're always reminded of every video that we upload on this channel. And please share this video with your family and friends so that they not only learn Tulu Script but also learn the importance of Barkur in Tulunāḍ's history. In my video to Indic, I claim Mātrā enna udal dinji Solmelu.